Are you tired of constantly replacing your gate and alarm motor batteries? Introducing the Gizu 12-volt 7-amp lithium-ion replacement gate and alarm battery, the powerhouse that's changing the game in battery technology. It's the ultimate replacement for lead-acid batteries in all your gate motors and security systems for your home. Lead-acid battery technology is not an ideal solution for situations like load shedding. Lead-acid batteries take up to 10 hours to recharge, have fewer recharge cycles, and discharge below 50% of rated capacity, which causes irreparable damage to your units. Let's talk AMA benefits. The Gizu lithium-ion battery recharges in under 2.5 hours and has 2,500 recharge cycles. That's 10 times more than traditional lead-acid batteries. The Gizu Life PO4 battery can safely discharge up to 90% of rated capacity, which equals almost double the capacity at the same amp hour. To make use of the Gizu battery, the first step is to remove the gate motor cage and cover. Unlock it, remove the locking bar and lift. Then unlock the cover and reveal the motor inside. Next, reveal the old battery by carefully lifting the control board out of the way and detaching the wires from the battery. Remove it from the case and replace it with the Gizu battery. Reattach the wires and test that the device functions before closing the motor. Cover it up and you're good to go. Make sure to properly dispose of your old lead-acid battery. And just like that, your new Gizu battery is ready to go. Don't let outdated technology hold you back. Get a Gizu!